First day of our shoot for Idaho tourism in northern Idaho. Behind me is the lovely Coeur Resort. So far the trip, I got pulled over for speeding very early in the morning at a sunrise shoot. State trooper was very nice, informed me of my speed and let me off with no warning whatsoever. So we're hoping that same luck parlays into the smoke clearing out of the valley, and the weather report says it's supposed to be gone tomorrow. So we're gonna pack a bunch of shoots in tomorrow, the next few days, and hopefully the smoke will leave us.
And okay, now you can smell it. Oh yes, that smells great. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! There you go. Share a happy look with your mom. Like, Mom, this is awesome. Alright.
We just finished up a little shoot in this wonderful restaurant called Coeur, right on the main strip of Coeur here. Coeur, beautiful place. Coeur, awesome restaurant, artisan pizza, just beautifully done, very tasty, and we had an excellent night with Jason and Kaya and Corey. They were a delight. One of the things you do on assignments is you work all day and you bust your butt and you get here and you're tired, and there's simple little things like locking the car, getting your camera bag, taking it in the house, unlocking the house, that might escape a tired mind once in a while. This house that's got a full kitchen, direct TV, we both have bedrooms upstairs, bedrooms downstairs, so we still have some separation, which John really likes, and yeah, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths.